Good evening to everyone. Today we have moved to topic on part programming manufacturing. The process in which we can produce a geometrical shape from a raw material is known as manufacturing. It is the largest stage of production. We have first production. The entire process to manufacture a component is known as production. Variable effect in manufacturing. First, man, machine, and material. The production variable affect the manufacturing, man, machine, and material. First, we shall discuss about the machine. The device which is used to convert an effort to one useful for is known as machine. Next, machine 2. It has the ability to produce its own part as well as other parts. Machine 2 is ability to produce its own parts as well as other parts. Next, machining center. It can perform number of operations at a time with the help of ATC and AWC. What is meant by ATC? ATC is automatic tool changer. AWC is automatic work changer. According to tool holding capacity and magazine shape, ATC is of three types: drum type, elliptical type, loop chain type. Its drum type is 40 tools and the elliptical type is 80 to 20 tools and loop chain type is 200 tools. Next, the machining center type. The machining center type is vertical machining center and others horizontal machining center. Difference between the vertical machining center and horizontal machining center is vertical machining center is spindle in vertical position. Horizontal machining center is spindle is horizontal position. It's some of example of the workpieces located between the horizontal plane and machining action is there are spindle vertical position. Machining action is vertical position, top to bottom. We have to move the working process. Then horizontal machining center, the spindle in horizontal position. We have to do the fix in position. The spindle is moving in horizontal position, x-axis and plus or minus axis, forward or reverse reactions. Next, conventional machining process. The machining process where the tool is directly contact with the job is known as conventional machining. The machining process where the tool is directly contact with the job is known as conventional machining. In this machining, the tool must be harder than the job. CNC milling, CNC turning, grinding, milling, turning, X. Next, new conventional machining process. The machining process where the tool is not directly in contact with the job is known as non-conventional machining. Non-conventional machining process. The machining process is the tool is not directly in contact with the job is known as non-conventional machining, where the tool can be softer than the job. Example is electrochemical machining, EBM electron beam machining, AJM advanced jet machining, EDM electrical discharge machining, then wire electrical discharge machining. Next we have the cutting speed. The speed at which the cutting edges of the tool travel over the job is known as cutting speed. The cutting speed is pi dn divided by 1000. D is the diameter of cutter, n is equal to rpm of machine, unit meter per minute. Next, feed. The advancement of the tool towards the job is known as feed. The feed is the unit mm. The feed is compared with the time, it's known as feed rate, unit mm per minute. The advancement between consecutive tooth of cutter is known as feed per tooth, unit mm per tooth. The advancement of tool in one revolution is known as speed per revolution. The advancement of tool in one revolution is known as speed per revolution, unit mm per revolution. Types of feed rate. The rabbit feed rate. The ideal movement of the tool with the maximum available feed rate of the machine is known as rabbit feed. Plunge feed rate. The feed rate at with the time of taken depth of cut. Cutting feed rate. The feed rate at the time of cutting operations. Feed rate F Z N. F is the feed by tooth. Z is the number of fleet or teeth. N is equal to RPM of machine. Thank you, student.